Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing a garbage disposal. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is 90 minutes for you on a Saturday, or whether you'd rather hire it out. Here's the scene. The disposal hums but doesn't grind, or makes no sound at all, or leaks from the bottom, or sounds like a blender full of gravel, and you're already shopping a new one. Slow down. The single biggest mistake I see. Homeowners replace a disposal that didn't need replacing. If yours hums but doesn't grind, it's jammed. Flip the switch off. Press the red reset button on the bottom. Stick the Allen key in the hex hole and rock the impellers back and forth. Pull the jammed silverware out with pliers, not your hand. If it grinds, you just saved $300. But if it really is a replacement, here's what the job actually looks like. You kill the breaker that feeds the disposal. You confirm dead with a non-contact voltage tester. Power off is the whole game on this one. You disconnect the discharge tube and the dishwasher hose. You open the wiring compartment and undo the wire nuts. You use the little wrenchette to rotate the old unit off the mounting ring. It drops into your hands, heavier than you expect. You pull the old mount out of the sink. You set the new one, 3 bolts, star pattern, even pressure, stop when firm, plumber's putty under the flange on a stainless sink, silicone gasket on quartz or granite. Before you hang the new unit, if a dishwasher is connecting, knock out the plug inside the dishwasher inlet with a screwdriver and a tap of a hammer. You cannot do this after the unit is hung. Black to black, white to white, ground to the green screw. Tug test every wire nut. You hang the disposal on the mount. You connect the discharge tube, the dishwasher hose with a high loop, and you test. The mistakes that double this job: forgetting the dishwasher knockout and having to pull the unit back off, over-tightening the mounting bolts and cracking the flange, putty on a stone countertop, which stains, loose wire nuts that arc later, and running hot water while grinding, which liquefies fats downstream. And one more thing. If you open the wiring compartment and see cloth insulation, scorched wires, or connections you don't recognize, stop. Close it up and call an electrician. 120 volts in a wet kitchen is the one thing on this job that can kill you. For the full step-by-step, the star pattern torque sequence, and the dishwasher high loop, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.